Air, the invisible life force that surrounds us, is more than just a mixture of gases. It's the very essence of our existence. Did you know that trees can communicate through their roots, sharing nutrients and warning each other of danger? This incredible network, often referred to as the Wood Wide Web, highlights the interconnectedness of life. Moreover, the air we breathe is a vital player in regulating our climate. It absorbs heat, transports moisture, and even influences weather patterns. Each breath we take is a reminder of the delicate balance of ecosystems.